In this video, we'll take a look at upcoming audits in the EAN Suppliers app.
Next, we will look at an upcoming audit. In this example, we will look at Audit 220880. You can click on each column header to sort in ascending or descending order. These columns are Program, Audit Number, Status, Start Date, and End Date. To access the audit, click on the audit. This will take you to the audit details page. If you need to go back, you can click the back arrow at the top left next to Audits. The top of the audit details page includes the program, commodity, audit number, status, and depending upon the status, the start and end date or the target quarter. Next is the details section. This includes information such as the primary auditor, an additional auditor, the observer, the auditee company, the company contacts for the audit, the PRI reviewer, if the agreement was accepted, whether the audit is ITAR or EAR, the audit number, the audit type, the area of work, supplier merit, the audit status, and whether the audit is compressed. Please note, each section of the audit can be expanded or collapsed with the arrow at the top right of the section. The next section we will look at is for the linked audits. In this area, if there were a previous audit or a current satellite or AQS audit, they would appear here. After that is the subscriber section, which has two subsections. The first is titled Your Subscriber Customers, and this is who you identify as your customer. You can click the pencil icon to add a subscriber customer from the list. And then you can click the Save Changes button to add them to the list. Next is the subscribers that have identified auditee area. This section would include subscribers that have identified your company. The next section is the scope section, which includes the scope of accreditation for this audit. Beyond that is the self-audit and pre-audit document areas. In this area, you will see previously uploaded documentation. Clicking on the verlipses, the three vertical dots button, you can delete or download documents. If a new document needs added, click on the plus button and add file to upload a document from your computer. The next section is checklists. This section will include checklists uploaded by the auditor based on the scope of the audit. Please note, checklists are added 21 days prior to the audit start date. The next section is the financial section. As this audit is in an initiated status, this section is blank. Once this audit is scheduled, the invoice will appear in this area. After that is the history section. This section contains tracking history or changes to the audit, such as the action, the date, and the user that made the change. Lastly, if you scroll all the way back to the top of the audit, there is another verlipsis, three vertical dots that you can click. This will bring up a menu for you to edit the audit contacts or view emails.
That concludes this video at this time. I want to thank you for taking the time to view it. Be on the lookout for more of these videos to appear on our YouTube channel as we build them. Thank you again. Have a great day.